In today's video, the main topic I'm going to be covering is research and researching by watching other YouTube channels that cover Redbubble. This is something that I did a lot of at the start, and I know it's something you guys can definitely do to help you on your Redbubble journey. If you're ready for this video, please drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated, and let's jump straight into it. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone who's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shops. If this is the first time that you're coming across the channel and you're someone who's looking to learn how to make some extra money online, make sure you hit that subscribe button with the notification bells turned on, and that way you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And the last thing, for those who don't already know, down in the description, I have a free print-on-demand starter guide that features some of the information that I used to help me get my first few sales online through sites like Redbubble. And on top of that, for people looking to make this more of a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide linked just below that down in the description. Now, with that said, today's video is mainly going to be about talking about YouTubers you guys should also be watching if you're looking to improve your Redbubble shops, if you're looking to get ideas, and overall if you're looking to improve. This is something that I did a lot of at the start of my Redbubble journey. Before I knew what designs to upload, before I knew how to get sales, how to go about things, I put in a lot of research, and most of that research was through watching different YouTubers. Now, I actually did a part 1 to this video where I covered more so the people that I watched when I first started. So if you're interested in watching that, that'll be linked down in the description. This is more so a part 2. So yeah, all these channels that I'm going to be talking about, they'll also be linked down in the description. So definitely check them out, as I strongly feel that they will help you guys along on your Redbubble journey. Right guys, so this is going to be a bit more of a laid back video. I just want to share with you guys other channels I feel will help you. Personally, when I was doing my research, I wouldn't just watch one channel that covered Redbubble. I'll look at a lot of different channels to get as much information as I can, and that's what I pretty much want you guys to do, because that is the best method in regards of building knowledge to make things easier for yourself on your path to success. Now, jumping straight into this, the first YouTube channel is Strad. So Strad has got just over 1,000 subscribers, so congrats to him on hitting that. Now, this is a channel I've been seeing pop up in my recommended. I've been seeing it pop up on the search when you're searching Redbubble. It's fairly small compared to some of the other YouTube channels I'm talking about, but it's very consistent in his content. He shares obviously how things are going on his shop. He also covers other things, but I know for a fact it's got a lot of Redbubble videos, as you can just see with the thumbnails there. I mean, if I zoom in a little bit, you can see a little bit better there. Covers a lot of different Redbubble content. I'm seeing his last video was 5 days ago here, but obviously as there's a lot of content here, this is a channel you guys can definitely jump on to see if you can actually pick up any new information that you can implement to your own shops. Once again, this channel will be linked down in the description. Please do go check it out. Let him know we sent you, and let's help the community become more connected and help the community grow. Next up, we have Ingram. Now, Jack, if I remember correctly, he said in his videos that he started posting on YouTube back in October. So when I made the last video, which was back in August, his YouTube channel wasn't actually there yet. So for anyone who's fairly new to Redbubble, who's starting out, he's actually giving his perspective from someone who's just started on the platform. So definitely check out his channel. If we go on his videos, you can see he's got a lot of Redbubble content in there. He covers a few different things as well, but the Redbubble content is there. As you can see here, it's got one video that shows that it's got over 2,000 designs, and if you're interested in how he's gone about doing that and some of the methods he's used, go on his channel, check out that video. He does provide a lot of useful information. Jack is close to 2,000 subscribers, so for anyone who's watching this, if you can subscribe to his channel, I'm pretty sure he'll be very, very happy about that. This is a channel I'd strongly recommend, and he posts fairly frequently. I think he's currently posting daily as well. I can see he posted an hour ago, as you guys can see. day before that, 2 days, 2 days, 3 days ago, 4 days ago. It's very consistent. So if you're also looking for another channel that posts fairly regularly so you can keep up to date in regards of Redbubble and other print on demand sites, his channel is definitely one for you guys to check out. Moving us on, we have Detour Shirts. Now, this is another channel that wasn't really posting consistently at the time that I made the last video. In fact, I wasn't actually aware of this channel back in August, but I am now, as he's been posting fairly consistent. His last upload was 5 days ago. But I'm pretty sure he put up a message on his channel saying he's just figuring a few things out. But I'm pretty sure he does usually post weekly and consistently as well. And as you can see there, it's got a few videos that will be of use to you guys. It's got Redbubble trends of the week, and it's got, I think he's on his 11th episode. So if anyone's looking for ideas, you could obviously go through those videos to see if you can get any ideas to help you guys alongside your journeys. He covers a lot of different things. Now, from his point of view, it's mainly based off someone who does print on demand, who's an artist who creates their own design. So if you're someone who's really artistic, or you're looking to get ideas of how you can create nice looking designs, he's definitely someone to go to, as he runs a few shops himself. Close to 15,000 subscribers. For anyone who's not aware of him, definitely go check him out down in the description. Moving us on, we have Shimmy Morris. Now, Shimmy didn't start off posting about Redbubble. He started off posting about a fair few different things, from Amazon FBA, Teespring, Facebook ad related videos. But if we go on his channel here and we go on videos and we type Redbubble, which I'll do right now, and search, you will see that he has posted quite a few Redbubble videos. He's actually got one that he posted 3 hours ago. So as you can see, he is posting some consistent Redbubble content. In fact, there's one here from a day ago, another from 2 days ago, a week ago. So yes, he's definitely a channel you guys can check out. He wasn't featured in the part 1, but now rightfully so, I feel like he should be featured in this video, mainly because he is starting to post a lot more Redbubble content. The last YouTube channel we have today for you guys is Wholesale Ted. Now, by far the biggest channel in this video, but the main reason I've included this channel is because this YouTuber covers a lot of Redbubble content. Now, she doesn't mainly cover Redbubble solely, but if we go on her videos and we search Redbubble, you will see that there is quite a few Redbubble videos there. And obviously the viewership on these videos is very high, and the information in these videos is very useful as well. It's fairly broad, mainly because it's covering things that will help someone who might be new to Redbubble, but it's still very useful, especially if you're getting into the platform and you're trying to improve your designs, or you're trying to improve your efficiency in regards of designs. So you should definitely check out Wholesale Ted. And yes, she has a bunch of other content on her channel. I mean, she's close to 700,000. I don't know if we have that much of a push, but I mean, if we can help her get close to that, that would be very much appreciated. I'm pretty sure she would appreciate that as well, even though obviously the channel is already established. Nevertheless, at the end of the day, it's all about helping the community grow. If we can learn from others, get information from different places, our knowledge will improve. And when it comes to print on demand and websites like Redbubble, you can vastly increase your chances of getting sales. Now, that is pretty much it for this video. I just want to say, for those who haven't watched part 1, definitely check it out. I spoke about a few more YouTubers in that video that I've not mentioned at all in this video. So it's definitely worth a watch if you're looking to kind of build your list of YouTubers to watch in regards of Redbubble. And also, I just want to say, for the people that won my giveaway, which I mentioned on my top 10 trends of the week video, please leave your links in the comment section on that video, because I've only had one person who's left their comment, which is Damily. As for the other people, please go double check on that video to see if you won, mainly because I just want to make sure that I'm buying things from the right people shop. Nevertheless, that is it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. Let me know if I've introduced you to a new channel. And at the end of the day, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.